Welcome to KIOX, powered by LibHub, funded by USAID, and brought to you by the library. We have covered basic searching, advanced searching, and browsing. In this video, we will demonstrate the My Collection feature offered in KIOX. My Collection saves you time. You can pick right back up where you left off the last time you did research in KIOX. If you have never registered for KIOX, click on the Register button on the top of the page. Create a username and type it into the Login ID field. Create a password and re-enter it in the fields below. Enter your name and email address. Then enter your institution name. Feel free to indicate your gender, role, subject specialization, and research interests. Click Submit. Now you have created an account in KIOX. If you already have an account, you can click Login and then enter the username and password you created earlier. Now that you are logged in, you can look at your collection of saved articles, searches, and resources. In order to add to our collection, let's type a topic into the KIOX search bar. Sustainable farming, for example. Then click the magnifying glass, and within the results, we can see over 1,000 articles. One of the results is crop protection and its integration within sustainable farming systems. In order to add this article to my collection, we click on Add to My KIOX. This article has now been added to my collection. Let's go back and see. We click on My KIOX in the upper right corner of the page, and it takes us back to the My Collection page. As a user, you can create many collections. We can name this collection Agriculture by clicking on the pencil icon under Edit Collection and typing in Agriculture. In order to create a collection for a different research interest, simply click on the icon to the right which says Create New Collection. Type the name of your new collection, Finance for example, and click Submit. Now under Collection Name, you see all the collections you have created. It will say in red next to the collection you are viewing that this is the active collection. Now Agriculture is active, but I can click on Finance, and now I can see the resources that I saved in the Finance collection. Let's search again. Let's search for Agriculture Finance. We can save this search by clicking on the green plus sign below the search box. Add query to my KIOX. If we want to conduct the same search again the next time we're on KIOX, we can click on Agriculture Finance under Save Queries and conduct the search easily again. Let's go back to the Agriculture collection by clicking on Agriculture. We can add a note to any of the saved resources by clicking on the pencil icon. I want to use this article as a reference for my thesis, so we can add a note here by clicking on the pencil icon and type Reference for Thesis. Now when we return to this page, we'll remember that this was going to be a reference for our thesis. We can always add and delete searches, resources, and collections from my KIOX by using the X to the right of the item. On a previous video, we learned how to browse. Let's browse for a journal by title starting with Agriculture. Here's a journal, Agriculture, Ecosystems, and Environment. Let's save it in my KIOX by clicking on the Add to My KIOX. When we look at my KIOX, we can see the journal has been added and that we will be alerted by email of new issues. We can uncheck the box if we don't want to receive an alert when a new issue comes out. We have covered the main features available when you create a collection in KIOX. Check out the other videos with more information about KIOX, advanced search, browse, and free online courses.